Okay folks, so when you first take your Amazfit Balance 2 out the box, you're going to need to install the strap. Or if later on you want to change the strap, then you need to know how to do that. It is a little bit fiddly, but once you've done it, obviously you're not going to need to do it all that much, so I'm going to guide you through the process. So the Amazfit Balance 2 does come with two straps, a black strap and an orange strap. So functionally they are the same, just take whatever colour you prefer. So I'll be using the black strap. Now, I will be honest, for such a premium priced watch, these straps are not the best quality in my opinion. They do feel a little bit flimsy. This here is just plastic, it isn't metal. So that is a tad disappointing, but as long as it works and is comfortable, I suppose that is the main thing. Fortunately, the watch itself does feel much more premium than the actual strap. So the strap does come connected. We need to unwrap it in order to access both halves. So we'll just pull the two straps away from here, and then we can lift this away from the mechanism and disconnect those two. Now both halves of the strap will connect to the watch in the same way, but as I say, it can be a little bit fiddly, so just have a bit of patience as you do this. So on each half of the strap, if we turn it round, we do have this pin that goes all the way through the width of the strap, and the mechanism here to adjust it. So the way we need to do this is we need to pull it in, okay, just like that from one end, so it's now flush there and has been pushed out on the other side. So this long strap here is for the bottom of the watch, and the shorter strap with the mechanism up here is for the top of the watch. So in that goes just like that, and then carefully lining this up. Oh, it's just come up again. Let's push that down. There we go. Okay, like I say, that is really fiddly, but if you just try and work on it as you're putting it into place, it will eventually snap into position just like that. And the bottom half of the strap is now secured. And it's just a case really now of repeating it with the top half. So let's move the bands down, get them out of the way. So we've got just the smaller part of the pin on this end protruding, and then as flush as possible on this end. So we'll pop that in just like that, same as before. Is that in? Nope, not quite. Felt like it was, but came back out again. Come on. What a nightmare these can be. There we go, it's in. Okay, and that's the strap installed. So yeah, like I said before we even got into this, these things can be really finicky, but just keep working at it and you'll get it in the end. But let me know how you found this. Did you install the strap without any issues? Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you next time.